Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I easy the girls, the man, and all the baby, Stewart Construction Services, that me I do right now, you know what I mean? But, man, an artist, said we. But, Stewart Construction Services just generate some money for me can work on my album, them, you see me, I say. 'Cause right now, me start a singer, said we. You know, I say I will heap of money, because I self-promote myself. You see me, I did promote myself. You get what I say? But right now, what I go on now, me I say, Jano, I can't believe the general, particular general, um, Ninja Man, one of the next great man, I say, yo, them not do no Sting this year. I must say, yo, Sting get free. You know what I mean? But what me I say now, you see young youth them, you know, say you have a young blood clot generation of artists. You see me I say, man like Tommy Lee, big up Tommy Lee from Mobile, because Mobile me come from, So I have to big up me town, me city. You see me I say, Mobile, big up Tommy Lee. You see me I say, oh, crazy man that. You see me I say, in our music. You see me I deal with, you have Massacre, Sick, said we. You know what I mean? I want you named Gage. But one brother named Alkaline, he's a fucking fool. You see me I say? I want to jump up. I want to think more on a video go viral and blood clot Alkaline jump up and say something. And say me no lock down him blood clot. Me not have to sing no bag of song for lock him down, One blood clot throat and cut off him throat. You see me I say? Because me a artist. Me a artist from 90s. You see me I say? First song start 2000, cause 90s me I go to school and man a practice on them way. You see me I say 2000s just start. You get me I say, cause when me put out my first song, little bit before Cartel Bus. You see me I say, and then me get children, start get kids, and the mother name want help and me alone. Me live in Mobile. You don't know if you go to Kingston. I can't left me youth them. You see me I say that kind of lay me back. You see me I say, but give thanks and praise to Almighty God. I don't know me youth them I get bigger though. My daughter 15, first one. You get what me I say, and 12, 11. You see me I deal with, plus me have a 12-year-old again, 16-year-old. Me have my last little baby, a 2-year-old, just birthday with you. You get what I deal with? So, me kind of free up right now, because my wife ready for me touch road, do road right now. You get what I say? My wife ready for me do road. So, me not have to worry about children again. My wife can help sort out them things. Because I don't know, you see, me is a great man. You see me? And a great man, now I'm going to left out them youth them. Big up man like Bob Marley in the grave right now. You see how Bob Marley youth them are shot right now. And them a run a Bob Marley youth them lock off again. Because father done set it and thing. You know what I mean? But I just want to deal with some album and get some album on the road and couple Grammy and them way there. And make me youth them rich and nice. So me I say that me I deal with. Big up to Devin the Doctor. You see me I say, man get nominated. You see when I youth there dominate pan Magnum, and me I say, Jano, me I say, you see that youth there, he might go reach far in our business, because the type of tune my man I sing, me I say, Jano. You see me I say, and big up Devin the Doctor, nominate for Grammy. Enough man never know, say, Devin the Doctor would have get nominated for Grammy. You see me I deal with, because them just think about who hot in our music. You see me I say, and you can't do that. You see me, every artist was boss. If you play the man them song them, no look for who hot. You see me I say, cause for a long time, you always have a man that dominate. From back in the days, you have Yellow Man, Burro Banton, come up in line, come up in line. You see me I say, Ninja Man, Shabba Ranks, come up in line. You get what me I say, you have man a dominate. Bounty Killer. Right now, Bounty Killer are the greatest. The real greatest. You see me I say, if you check out Bounty Killer offspring them, you get what me I say, Movado, Cartel. You see me I say, Elephant Man and them man there. Yo, you know say, you see Elephant Man, then call him Energy God. You see them man there? Remember when Elephant Shocking Vibes, me I say Shocking Vibe, Mansa Shock's crew. When Mansa Shock's crew just come out. You see me I say I'm going to go to Sunfest. The first time them come to Sunfest, I say boom, I'm going to go to Sunfest and I watch it. I say blood clot. You see me I say Elephant Man crazy. You see me I say, and when everybody kind of lame out, Elephant Man stuck out up till today day. You see me I say, and he have a son where never grow with him and he youth. All I do song and I diss him father. I say, I don't rate that. That's a fucker. Because what if he go to him father now and say, Daddy, me turn big man now, you know. And even though he never dare on me, but me still respect you and love you because you never dash me in a condom. You see me I say, a dirty man should I say, and say, yo, Daddy, me in the industry now, the more you bring me and show me how to do it thing. And trust me, because he might try to splash him father and him not really mature on a level. Because me a listening song them, him light. You get what I say? Him light. Him not use no word power and no good style and them thing there. You see me I say him light. So him should have go to him father and say, Daddy, teach me. You see me I say, just like how my father do building and I go with him and me is a great builder. When me there at Jamaica, me draw plan, billows, everything. Me come America right now. Me live America right now. And I said construction me I do right now because me have to generate some money for deal with my music. Because I don't really want nobody promote me. I want to promote my own self. Because I want to build my thing and left my legacy to my youth. Then I get what I deal with. So, I saw it go. So him should have got to him father, but him a try this him father. You see me I say, I mean I rate that. Big up Elephant Man. You see me I say, powerful youth. You see me I say, may I tell you, remember me I tell you. You see, that I fuck up our thing. You see me I say in a Jamaica right now. Because younger youth them, they come up and I try change the thing and I end idea, then and I respect to who set the thing. You see me I say, me could never come as an artist and go disrespect all Bounty Killer and them man there. Me can't do them thing the virgin. Because them man they set the thing. You get what I say? I mean I say Bounty Killer alone. You see me I say man like Carl, Yellow Man, Ninja Man, Burro Banton. You see me I say Shabba Ranks. All of them man. Me I drive come home from work this evening and I listen to Shabba Ranks combination with one next foreign hip hop artist. I wicked this thing. You see me I say, you wicked this thing. I just a picture me I say blood clot. Shabba come like they dominate from them time, the right you know, and him man just have a powers like Vybz Kartel. You get what me I say? And me not say him imitate Vybz Kartel, you know. It's just in music said we. It's just a power what me they try to show you. Cause you know say Vybz Kartel powerful right you know. You see me I say, but God know. When me say Vybz Kartel right you know, you see it Gaza me not be yo. Before me even say this, me not even business if nobody wants to say me bad mind. Fuck them who wants to say me bad mind. You see me I say I don't know bad mind thing. You see the Gaza people them little bit chat too much blood. You see me I say them chat too much cause Cartel in a prison. News come out say Cartel a do song in a prison. Flex, I wanted that idiot come a chat boy say Cartel should not do song in a prison and all kind of fuckery. You see me I say I fuck with that Flex say. You see me I say, cause Flex a artist, Cartel a artist. You know if you say that, Cartel lock away which me no see where in should have lock away right now. You see me I say cause them can prove and show no evidence say yo, a man do certain things. You see me I say, they don't have no real evidence. On go on voice note, them I say, a man can fabricate a voice note easy. You see me I say, and cartel get locked away. You see me I say, and instead of you come now and talk, say yo, give man a free up. Cause even me don't know if he do nothing, me can't say he do nothing. And me I say, yo, God no. To me see the news and everything, it look to me like say, yo, them not have no evidence. You see me I say, but anyway, a Babylon is set up. You get what me I say? So what me I say? Them should have say, yo, Flex should have say, yo, God no. A man should have beg a chance a man come out. Cause right now, from me hear Cartel say, he want to go back to reality. That song there. Me know say Cartel rehabilitate if he won't do nothing. You get what I say? Me don't know if he do nothing. You get what I say? But being in there and him say want to go back to reality, me know say yo, him is a change man right there. So if he when they think about certain things, he wouldn't probably pray that anymore. But what me I try to show you say now, you see people them now, in fans them, some of them chat too much. I chat out of their mouth. Cause Flex go make a fuck up speech and man a threaten Flex so then go kill him. Right, so then now them all say it go make it look like say yo, Gaza is just for killing. You see me I say, and not really killing. A man brand himself. You see me I say, a man have himself as a brand. You see me I deal with Cartel have himself as a brand. You see me I say, and him having youth them a road. I'm glad if he come a road, bridging. And can come be a father running youth them. I get what me I say, ungo that me I say still. You see me I say, so you see people fi stop the blood clot chatting and make a law deal with what them a deal with. Cause me know say a man can get an appeal and a man can deal with what he deal with and come a road. Cause I love to see come a road. Me an artist, you see me I say even though me not come out big time yet for you to the whole world, but I an idea. Me not scared of Cartel. Me not go say Cartel go make me not get no play. You see me I say, you have to sing song what fi make the people them want hear. You see me have to sing song what people want hear and fit in yourself in anything. And you will survive in anything. You see me I say, so no bad mind man. You see me I say, no bad mind man a blood clean. Me no rate that. You see me I say, yeah, remember me tell her. So I had an idea. I just saw me see it. You see me I say, I had an idea. But big up Bounty Killer. You see them man bust enough blood clot artists. You see me up till today day. You see me I say, and me no rate when time a man go like them want this killer like call footer hype with there. They say a killer no hot and rare and a chat on whole heap of thing. You see me I say, my youth, a killer full in blood clot and you see me I say, a killer full in and say yo, and send out some young youth and say yo, you go make some money too. A good blood clot man that, a killer. You see me I say, cause I mother do the same thing. You see me I say, cause Jamaica is a liquor that on the globe. And the whole blood clot world want the reggae music. I went there, I watch a video. You see me I say, I'm sorry, I watch a video with the Middle East. The Arab them in the Middle East. You see me I say, the Muslim them. A pure reggae man them a dance to. Pure reggae music. Man them a keep a blood clot party and a pure reggae music man them a dance to in the Middle East. For sure you. You see me I say we think powerful. So, you select them at Jamaica, me I talk to you again. You see me I say, play every fucking song. Cause me hear Ricky Trooper come me see Ricky Trooper do a video on YouTube and him say, yo, some of my artists them now want, some of my selector them now want play artists them. You get what I say? And a serious thing man attack. You know if you play the man them, play every artist. Now look for who at alone in a dance or who no can get the money from. Play the song. When you get a song, play it. You see me I say? Cause everybody have them fans all over, Virgin. Me I tell you, if a man sing about gun, him have his song. him fans. If a man sing about girl, him have him fans. If a man sing about money, he have him fans. If a man sing about clothes, him have him fans. If a man sing about reality, him have him fans. You get what I say? Everything, anything one man sing about, they have them fans. So when you hear an artist come, so long as him dep on a beat, him a do him thing, him story put together good, play the give man a strength, play man bridging. You get what I say? Cause where day me I hear, me watch me dep on YouTube. Cause me the America right you know, and me no live in Jamaica, so a YouTube me have to dep on. Me live on blood clot YouTube as me come from work. You see me as me wake in the morning, YouTube, me have to see what new. You get what I say Khalid stress out. Say you have problem cause music stressing all kind of thing. You see me I say, you have to give man them strength, brethren. We don't want hear say Dulus go commit suicide. We don't want hear say no man do them thing the brethren. You see me I say, just have a love, play a man them. And if a man carry a song to you and it might not sound up to date, you see me I say, you can play a said way. And then you call him one side and show him say, yo, you have to do a little more work on this. You see me I say, adjust in a this way and adjust that the way there. Because I remember the first time when I say I want to turn an artist, I just have couple line and just sing. And I'm going to go to the studio and say I go record and I'm going to be right at clock. And one artist did it and I say, yo, sing a song with me here. And I'm a boss the song and I say, yo, you know, dep on a note. You see me I say, yo, you know, dep on a note. And him show me how I figure up on the note. You see me? Every 4 bar change. And I say, oh, you know, I from this how I become an artist. Me know how to write, me know how to use the beat them and everything. And then in a said time, after I walk out of the studio, I book another artist named Okonko. You see me I say, Rasta Okonko. And the man I show me, I say, boss sit me here and I sing. And the man I say, yo, now sing to me, sing to that tree out there so. You see me I say, and them little experience there, knowledge me get and me I say, Jano, the great Bounty Killer me I watch, Bounty Killer for entertainment, on stage. You see me I say, Bounty Killer say, yo, a 3 things to music. Words, power, style, and lyrics. You get what me I say? And from Bounty Killer say that, and that ribbit in my blood clotted. Any song what me write, it's a hit. You get what me I say? Any song what me write, it's a hit. You see me? Me the America right now, me start my album right now. And me not rush it. Me just do it liquor and get me thing out there and spend my money. Cause you don't know man, I have to go send a Jamaica my lyrics. Pay a man for play it and everything. Cause I promote my thing. You get what I deal with till when time I push myself out there, I can make some big links with some other people. You know, because your artists have to work with other people. As I deal with that, I deal with. So, the people them in Jamaica for unite. You see me? The world, they dead for music, brethren. The world are starved for reggae music and dancehall music. Me I tell you, because I live in America, me I tell you, brethren. So, you tap a fuckery. If you not sing Clash tune, and then we there, just do that for fun, but build some other tune said we. You see me I say, because money have to make. You see me I deal with, and you see blogger them, a whole lot of blogger them. You know, if you listen to every artist, and not blog about one set of man alone. You see me, because up to where they Soul Flow TV, you know, the blog, I mostly can't tell Soul Flow blog about. You see me I say, and I watch Slow Flow every day, because I respect him. Me, I'm living in a said state. You see me I deal with, but what me they try to show you, say, he not even know, say, Devin the Doctor get nominated for Grammy. And when long after, when everything pass you, must say, yo, and he come and do a little blog about it. You see me I say? And he might blog and blog until he all call up Gully Bop name and Gully Bop bash him and whole heap of thing. You see me I deal with? And you know what I mean, whole heap of thing. So what me dey try say, you see people them, the blogger them and cause you see blogger play a very important part in our music right now. Cause when a man a blog about you, the whole world they see you said way. Or part of the world I see you. You get what I say? Cause people they watch blogger right now. So blogger them, no blog about one set of man. Blog about everybody. You see me I deal with and the selector them play everybody bridging. You see Foota Hype come like he is a man where have too much blood clot ego. You see me I say he come like he's a man where you will carry a CD go give him and he listen it and say fuck this and broke you and dash you. Foota Hype play the man them. You see me I say play the man them and the whole I selector them Mataran, Boom Boom, Firelinks, Stone Love a big sound for a long time. I boss no artists. Bass of this boss no artists said we more every sound. The little sound them, some of them I don't know their name. Wanna play youth them. You see me I say play the youth them, play the young talent them. They need it. You see me I say cause the world need the music. And we don't want nobody can take away free music, brethren. We don't want no man can take away music and rich off of it when we own youth them, brother and sister them in Jamaica can rich off of it. You get what I say? So play a man them song, brethren. If a man have no money, and every man have money, like how me all work you know, and me can save 2,000 US and say I must spend this part on music. You see me I say, and every man go can do that. Cause in Jamaica, when me in Jamaica, when they consider say, what the fuck me I go do this? You see me I say, and me I say, yo, me go move go America. You see me I say, and me just move come America with me youth them. You see me I say, and in idea, me see a little better way where me can do it. You know man not really comfortable full 100 because yes I know my land of my birth. You see me I say, but in idea, me can get up a morning, jump in and me pick up truck, go on a work, make a money, come back and me I say alright, me can get some beat and me have my studio built up in my bedroom. You get what me I say? I come here and I buy my studio and I set it up in my bedroom. You see me I say if me wake up in the night and a vibes come to me, I jump up, wake up my wife and make him grow on the computer and just go so boom and start record. You see me I say I saw me deal with my thing. And then me just so boom and get a beat. You see me I say me and my people them at Jamaica will build my beat. You see me I say and my people them will build my beat at Jamaica. You see me I say so I saw me deal with the thing. You know what I mean? And get my thing up to date. So people you know gotta see me, you know what I mean? You gotta see me touch out the road. You see me I say, you know, that's why me I start do these little 1 and 2 blogging. You know what I mean? And make people start see my face. That mean when me touch on the road, everybody used to me already. You see me I say, know me already. So that's how I said. You know what I mean? So want to hear them, listen to me I say, radio man them, everybody. From a youth come to you and give a CD, play. And the man them in the street, or CD man them in the street. When a man come give a song, play, put in your mix, brethren. You see me I say, and the sound man them, play the blood clot man them. If the man them not have money, play the man them said way. You get what me I say? So you can't take money alone and I fuck up the thing. Enough good talent out there, the waste, brethren. You see me I say, enough good talent out there, waste. You see me I say, and Jamaica one little place, brethren. I don't know if you remember that. Remember say Jamaica is a small place. And the whole world, right now, a reggae and dancehall like capital for everything right now. You get what me I say? That me I say. You see me I say? So, right now, I just that me I say. Yeah, yo, big up all our artists them. You see me I say? I'm glad to know if we get all a Sting this year. You know, if a Sting go on this year, I want Tommy Lee and Blood Clot, Alkaline. You see me? And I don't know who else. But I don't want Tamale and Alkaline go off. Because I know that Tamale goes cut off in throat. Clean. You see me I say Alkaline are friars. Alkaline come on stage and I talk about Tamale, Gage and them and Massacre and them and them Lily. Them thing Lily. You see me I say, so oh man them thing Lily. I you know want to splash them. But you sing some like a full song. You're not even a point directly to a man them. You sing some like a full song. And you can't defend yourself. You have to go a sting. You have to go up and sting and prove yourself as a bad man and make you real. So you get what I say? Because I know say, right now, no man can mash down blood clot family. Me know that. You see me I say, yeah, me know that. And one thing when I rate when Tamale sing he go ahead for Bounty Killer, he shouldn't do that. But he apologize still, and I respect that. Cause you can't diss any other artist. Don't try this killer. You get what I say? Do not try to diss Bounty Killer. And them man they run the place. You get what I say? Them man they thing large, huge. You get what I say? So that me I say. But more than want to see blood clot, Alkaline and Tamale kick off. And make Tamale kick up him bumbo clot down a sting there. And show him how man go be a man. And Mobile me come from, you know. And I have to big up Mobile, you know. You see me I say, yeah, more Tamale kick off Alkaline blood clot a sting. You get what I say? That me I say. Yeah, but anyway, soon see a tune come out still. You see me I say, it a work pan. Just have to just finalize it, you know what I mean? And then me shut it out. Yeah. Big up Jamaica. You see me I say. Selectors don't play youth them. And radio man play youth them. You see me I say. Yeah, that me I talk about. Yeah. One love, you know.